Welcome to TMB Designs. I am Trevina, your host of this fabulous lifestyle channel. It is full of inspiration, motivation, and creativity. I desire to inspire you to make beautiful designs, one space at a time. Okay, guys, I am kicking off my 2020 Spring It On Peaches and Cream theme with a fun collaboration hosted by the beautiful Miss Kenya of Kenya's Decor Corner. It is the Spring Lantern collaboration. We were simply asked to style a lantern using spring-inspired decor. And now, I present to you my Peaches and Cream laundry room theme. I wanted to highlight and showcase my beautiful flea market and yard sale finds. You guys, I am absolutely thrilled with the result of this. I wanted to do something simple yet elegant. So here I displayed a yard sale collection of rabbits that I purchased recently. Also, this beautiful laundry sign, as you can tell, it's in my laundry room. I did a quick little refresh and makeover in here, and I am absolutely thrilled. The collection of bunnies, you guys, I got about 15 to 20 bunnies for 15 bucks. I purchased the laundry room sign from a online yard sale for 10 bucks. Florals are from the Dollar Tree. The lantern I picked up from Hobby Lobby at 50% off. The laundry sign hanging was a gift from a dear sister friend. And the tray, you guys, is actually a pineapple themed tray that I picked up from Ross, but I simply took some black and white striped gift wrap paper and laid on the inside to give me that black and white motif that I wanted for the backdrop of this vignette, and I am absolutely thrilled with the results. I will have an entire video highlighting the laundry room refresh. I would invite you to come back and watch that video in its entirety. If this is your first time visiting, I want to encourage you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, comment, like, and share. I would love to have you as part of the TMB family. I want to thank my beautiful sister friend, Miss Kenya, for hosting this fun collab. I absolutely love creating vignettes using lanterns. I hope that you hit that playlist and go ahead and watch the other creators content. I'm sure you'll be glad you did. It is jam-packed with so much beauty and creativity. Now to my tried and true, I want you guys to always know that I love and appreciate you. Thank you all for your continued support. You guys stick around because my peaches and cream theme is just kicking off. I will be incorporating more peach throughout this laundry room, but I want you to come back and see how I pull these colors all together. Until the next video, I want you all to have a blessed and beautiful day. Smooches.